everybody to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we are going to be looking at this absolutely perfect sneaker, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Black Toe. An absolutely beautiful sneaker that was created years and years and years ago, and they've re-released it. Oh man, this colorway for me in a Jordan 1 or any type of Jordan, it's just the perfect colorway. You can see in the background, I got the black cement, I got the fire red freeze, I got the white cement. The red, the white, the black on these hit so perfectly. Woo! Absolute fire. Absolute. Today guys, we're going to be looking at the materials, the comfort, the sizing, and we're going to give it an overall rating at the end of the video, just to sort of round everything up as to what we think of the sneaker. I'm going to be trying to help you decide whether you should be buying the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Black Toe. I think they're absolutely awesome. For me, a perfect colour in a sneaker. Let's just get into the review, man. If you do enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe, turn the notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. Let's just jump into the review. Woo! Starting with the box. It comes in the Nike box, and it's not your typical one for once. It's black and red, which is really, really cool because it matches with the colorway. The official description is Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, white, black, varsity red. Typically known as the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. And also, on the side, it says Nike and the swoosh name stripe are trademarks, which is really cool. A little bit of information, a little bit of difference on the box, something I haven't seen that's been picked up on reviews. 1985 Air Jordan 1 on the side as well. Starting with the toe box, you've got an absolutely beautiful leather that makes the sneaker very, 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 very nice. Because the toe box is so durable, it makes it really, really nice for movement. You have a lot of room for your toes, and it doesn't give you any pain around the edges, which is really good for a Jordan 1 Low. The cracking on that leather is super, super dope. Whoo, the materials they've used on them, my cats are attaching hairs to them everywhere, man, well annoying. But anyway, the leather they've used on this sneaker is super dope. All around the upper is a leather and textile material. You have the holes in the toe box, the perforated holes in the toe box allow for breathability on the sneaker. Absolutely lovely. The Wings logo on the heel looks really nice. The swoosh is long and exaggerated, and it is true to the OG shape. The tongue is made of like a textile material, very, very nice. The Nike Air on the tongue just hits different. Then we go to the outsole. The outsole is very, very nice. There's an encapsulated air unit inside the heel. The outsole and midsole is made of rubber. Got that Nike in the middle there. So as a comparison as to what you get different on the newer and the OG. So on a newer Air Jordan 1, you get the Jumpman. On the older Air Jordan 1, you get the Nike Air. The Wings logo is in a complete different place. And personally, I prefer the OG. So on the insole, the Jumpman is on the newer models. You get Nike Air on the OG models. Just a little bit of a comparison there for you guys. Just a bit of information. The insole, however, is made of some sort of goodness. It looks absolutely beautiful. I don't know what this is made of. I couldn't find any descriptions of it, of what it is, and I couldn't figure out what it was. But you get that Nike Air there, which looks really cool. And it's kind of floppy. The material that's made out of is squidgy, so there's so much more comfort in these insoles compared to like newer models, which are kind of hard and thin. The materials they made these sneakers out of are super dope. I would 100% recommend buying. Okay guys, so starting with the comfort of the sneaker, Jordan 1s typically are very uncomfortable, I find personally, when you first put them on. But I've learned a few tips and tricks to make Jordan 1s more comfortable over time. Now, I watched a load of reviews on Jordan 1s and Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s, Jordan 2s, all sorts of Jordans. And I found, personally, going true to size but wearing a sneaker super loose makes them super comfortable and gives them like a better time to break in. So overall, comfort on these, the way they're designed, are super dope anyway. Overall, comfort wise, I would probably give these about an 8 out of 10. They're pretty nice, but it's a typical Jordan 1, so they take time to break in because they use hard leather. But on these particular ones, like I said in the materials breakdown, The leather on the toe is beautiful. It really is nice and soft. And also the sunballed leather around the sneaker, all the way around, is pretty good. It's not the best ever, but it's a good leather compared to what we have been getting on Jordan 1 Lows for a while. So I would definitely say nice materials they've used on this Jordan 1. Getting down to sizing. Now I would probably say I would say for any Jordan 1 personally, go true to size, because for me they run a little bit big in generally speaking. So sizing wise, I'd say they fit true to size. I went true to size on these and they fit perfectly. And you can actually do these up as well, which is really cool. And the materials they've used on them, they don't hurt your feet that much. But I wear them loose anyway. But they're a really nice sneaker, really nice comfort wise and really nice sizing wise. Overall look at the sneaker, we're not even going to talk about it. It's a 10 out of 10. If you're any sort of sneakerhead and know your history, you're going to know this sneaker right here has a special place in it. Although yes, now they might be sitting in a few places and they might not have sold out, true sneakerheads will know this is a classic colourway of a sneaker. This colourway started a trend in sneakers years and years and years ago, and it's just got bigger ever since. It's just a gem. It's a gem of a sneaker. I don't know what else to say. I want to try and convince you guys that this is a good sneaker. But for me, I don't think I need to talk that much. It does the talking for itself. Originally, they did come with red laces. And yeah, nah, they had to go. All right, the black laces went straight away. Also, sail laces look really nice with these as well. I've seen a couple of photos of those. But for me, the black laces hit better. And they just... it's a dope sneaker. It's a dope sneaker. I can't convince you more than that. For me, rating wise, I'm giving the sneakers a 10 out of 10. The colourway, the history, the nostalgia, just everything about this shoe for me is a 10 out of 10. The materials are better than what we usually get. The looks, the colourway, they're dope, man. They're super dope. It's a 10 out of 10 from me, guys. I absolutely love them. Let me know down in the comment sections your thoughts, your feelings, opinions on these sneakers. I think they're super dope. And definitely a sleeper where people are missing out on them. Jordan 1 hype is dying down a little bit, and that's why these haven't sold out straight away. But they're so nice. I hope everyone that wants a pair gets a pair. If you did enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe, turn notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Woo! Peace!